Good morning, friends. Yes, good morning. Myself, Jatin Dave from Ashapura English School. Welcome all of you once again. We are going to learn in the mathematics chapter number 14, statistics. We know that very well. We are discussing a sum formula to find the mean in a various way. So our first video, we learn how to find the mean by using the direct method for ungrouped data and group data. The formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi or its equivalent. Then next video, we can learn another method is called, which method we learn? Do you remember? Yes, method's name is assume mean method. Assume mean method. And the formula we can use to find the mean is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi or n. Now today we discuss a third method. It's called the step deviation method. Third method, a step deviation method. But one thing remember, step deviation method is used only when the class length or width of all the classes is same. That means इस मेथड का यूज सिर्फ वहाँ होता है, स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड का यूज सिर्फ वहाँ होता है जहाँ पे when the class length of all classes is same. हर एक क्लास की क्लास लेंथ सेम होनी चाहिए. Let's see the board. First column of the class 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and last 23 to 25. Here the width of the class are same. For example, 13 minus 11 is equal to 2, 15 minus 13 is equal to 2, randomly 19 minus 17 is equal to 2, 21 minus 19 is equal to 2, or 25 minus 23 is equal to 2. So here first necessary and essential condition is when the class length or width of the all classes is same, then we can use the method of the step deviation. Now we performing a sum. Column number 2 now shows the frequency. Fi is related frequencies. 11 to 13 is 7, 13 to 15 is 6, 15 to 17 is 9, 17 to 19 is 13, 19 to 21 is 20, 21 to 23 is 5, and 23 to 25 is equal to 4. So first one, we find out the sum of the frequency, that means n or sigma fi. So let's perform. 7 plus 6, 13, plus 9, 22, plus 13, 35, plus 20, 55, plus 5, 60, plus 4, 64. So the sum of the frequency is 64. Once again, verify the sum. 7 plus 6, 13, plus 9, 22, plus 13, 35, plus 20, 55, plus 5, 60, plus 4. Total 64. 64 is our total number of frequencies. Now, from column number 3, here represent the class mark xi. Now, you understand very well what is the class mark. Class mark is also called the midpoint of the class. Okay, and it's found with the help of the formula lower boundary plus upper boundary divided by 2, or the average of the lower and upper boundary. It's called the class mark. So now we try to find out the class mark by oral. So 11 plus 13 is equal to 24, and divided by 24 or half of 24 is equal to 12. That means the class mark of the first class is 12. Now here the width of the class is same, and you know very well, if the width of the class is same, then find out the class mark. Consequently, we added a class width with the previous one. That means 12 के अंदर अब हमको सीधा क्लास विड्थ को प्लस करते जाना है और कॉन्सिक्वेंसली क्लास मार्क फाइंड आउट करते जाना है। सो यहाँ पर विड्थ है 2, देन 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, 14 plus 2 is equal to 16, 16 plus 2 is equal to 18, 18 plus 2 is equal to 20, 20 plus 2 is equal to 22, and last 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. So here we are obtaining class mark with the help of class widths. Okay, previous class widths or the first class width plus consequently plus 2 is the class width, and we can find out the whole class mark. Now next step, column number 4. Here we find out the UI for each and every classes. UI is equal to xi minus a upon h. First we understand what is means or what is xi or a or h. So first one, xi. Xi is called the class mark. We find out here 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24 respectively the class mark of the classes. Now A means the assume mean. A means the assume mean. Assume mean किस तरह से? How to select assume means? So it is depends on self. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 classes available, and between the middle of the classes is 17 to 19. We are selected the class mark of middle of the class 17 to 19 as assumed mean. Middle of the class, select the assumed mean is very convenient to calculate the sum, very easy way. That's why we select 18 is a assumed mean. Please write down some data. Here A is the assumed mean. Assumed mean is 18. Assumed mean is 18. Now H. What is H? H means the equal class length. We find out that. How to find out? For example, upper boundary minus lower boundary 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. That means H is equal to 2. Now find the UI. UI is equal to xi minus a upon h. For example, for the first class 11 to 30, UI is equal to xi minus a upon h. Now substitute the value. Xi is equal to 12 minus assume mean 18 divided by h. H is equal to 2. 12 minus 18 is equal to minus 6 by 2, and 2 3s are 6. Therefore, we get minus 3. So minus 3 is the value of UI for the first class. Similarly, from the second class, 14 minus 18 divided by 2, and we get minus 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4, therefore minus 2. Third, 16 minus 18 u3 के लिए divided by 2 and get minus 2 by 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, and then we get minus 1. Now xi is equal to 18. Assume mean is equal to 18. Therefore 18 minus 18 is equal to 0, and u4 is equal to 18 minus 18 by 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Now similarly with the opposite side, 20 minus 18 is equal to 2 divided by 2, and we get 1 orally. It is easy, not hard to oral work. 22 minus 18 is equal to 4, and divided by 2 we get 2. And last step, 24 minus 18 is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Then we get 3. So now column number 4 is completed. We get consequently minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Look here carefully. One more sequence is arise here, and this is a very simple and interesting series. Class 17 to 19, here we select our class mark, and then exactly opposite to the class mark ui is equal to 0. Then we going towards decrease the classes, we get ui is equal to negative sign, and with a decreasing order -1, -2, -3. And then we go towards the increasing classes, we get in increasing order 1, 2, 3. इन शॉर्ट में ये कहना है कि जिस क्लास पर आप क्लास मार्क को एज्यूम मीन ऐसे कंसीडर करते हो, क्लास मार्क को एज्यूम मीन ऐसे कंसीडर करते हो, वहां पर यूआई के कॉलम में आपका 0 आएगा। इससे जो छोटे क्लास मार्क्स थे, क्लास इंटरवल्स थे, उसमें नेगेटिव साइन के साथ डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में आपको नंबर लिखते जाना है, जैसे -1, -2, -3 स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको डिवाइड करते जाना है। और जैसे आप टूवर्ड्स द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में आते हो, वहां पर आपको 1, 2, 3 1 बाय 1 स्टेप आगे बढ़ना है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड द स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड। व्हाई इट इज मोस्ट यूजफुल? नाउ कंपेयरिंग all three methods yourself and decided that how it is very useful, convenient and important method. Now for final column FIUI. So frequency from the second column and UI from the column number 4. Now product of both this and write down in a last column. So 7 multiplied by -3 we get -21. 7 3s are 21. 6 multiplied by -2 and we get -12. 9 1s are 9 with a minus sign, plus minus minus 9. 0 multiplied by 13 is equal to 0. 21s are 20. 5 2s are 10 and 4 3s are 12. Now here we get both the types of product. First of all, upwards the 0, we get the negative integers from FIUI, -21, -12 and -9, and towards the downward 0, towards the downwards from the 0, we get 20, 10 and 12. All are the positive integers. So sum of the positive integers is 20 plus 10, 30 plus 12 is equal to 42 plus, and 21 plus 12, 33 plus 9 minus 42. Now -42 plus 42, both the numbers are opposite to each other, and therefore simplify of this we get FIUI is equal to 0. So this sum is really a very interesting sum. Now substitute the value from the formula to find the mean by using the method of step deviation. Please write down in your notebook, first one the tabulation, and then after we calculating the sum. So please write down in your notebook. Okay dear students, now we calculate to find mean by using the step deviation method. So first one, write down the formula. X bar is equal to A plus sigma FIUI by sigma FI into H. One by one. A means assume mean. Here we select assume mean as 80. So substitute the value in the formula. Sigma FIUI from table column number 5, the sum of the FIUI is equal to 0. Now sigma FI from the column number 2, the sum of the frequencies is 64. and last one h. H means equal class length. Here h is equal to 2. Now next step, 18 plus 0 divided by 64 is equal to 0, because here numerator is 0, multiplied by 2 is also 0, therefore 18 plus 0 is equal to 18. That means our answer x bar is equal to 18. Dear students, now sum is over, and I hope so you understand very well how to find out mean by using the step deviation method. This method is a very easiest method compared to all three methods, and it is very useful, very important method. So please practice more and more sums by using the step deviation method, and try to perfection for calculation by using this method. I hope so you try to very well and you understand very well. Tomorrow we will be meet again with a new point, new topic, how to find a mode. Okay, thank you and bye bye.